Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Honda Pilot from 2016 to 2022 is affected by DTC P2654, which signifies an issue with the rocker arm oil control solenoid, B, on bank 1. This fault relates to a high voltage condition detected in the solenoid circuit, indicating potential electrical or component failures. The rocker arm oil control solenoid regulates oil flow to operate the rocker arms, crucial for optimal engine performance and efficiency. The solenoid is typically located in the engine bay, often near the cylinder head. Given its role, any malfunction can lead to variable valve timing issues, impacting overall engine function. Confirming this code requires detailed diagnostics to ensure no underlying causes are overlooked. DTC P2654 indicates a concern specifically with rocker arm oil control solenoid B on bank 1. This solenoid plays a vital role in managing the flow of oil within the engine, directly impacting the performance of the variable valve timing system. Proper functioning of this component ensures that engine valves open and close at optimal times, promoting efficiency and power. You'll find rocker arm oil control solenoid B located on the engine cylinder head, connected via a 2-pin connector. Its proximity to the engine's oil supply means even minor electrical issues can result in high voltage readings, triggering the DTC. A precise understanding of its function and location is essential in diagnosing issues related to this DTC effectively. Several potential causes can lead to the appearance of DTC P2654. The primary suspect is often a faulty rocker arm oil control solenoid, B, itself, which may have developed internal shorts or malfunctioned. Additionally, wiring issues may arise, including frayed, damaged, or corroded wires that disrupt the electrical current and lead to high voltage conditions. Poor connections between the solenoid and the powertrain control module, PCM, can also trigger this DTC since they fail to maintain optimal contact, causing intermittent or confirmed failures. Lastly, a malfunctioning PCM could misinterpret data signals, incorrectly coding the solenoid circuit as high voltage. Each of these causes requires thorough checks during the diagnostic process. The manifestation of DTC P2654 can lead to several symptoms that could adversely affect vehicle performance. Most notably, the check engine light on the dashboard will illuminate, serving as a primary warning to the driver. You may also experience poor engine performance, characterized by sluggish acceleration or reduced power during driving. Inconsistent RPMs, such as fluctuating engine speed at idle or during acceleration, can occur as the variable valve timing system struggles due to solenoid issues. Additionally, emissions may increase as a result of improper combustion timing, which could lead to failing emissions tests. Attention to these symptoms is crucial for early detection and diagnosis of the underlying issues presented by this code. The first troubleshooting step involves several verification actions to confirm the presence of DTC P2654. Begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. This mode allows the diagnostic tools to communicate with the vehicle's onboard system. Next, clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the HDS, the Honda Diagnostic System. After clearing the codes, start the engine and hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load, typically by putting the gear in park or neutral. This step is crucial as it allows the system to reach operational temperature and potentially trigger the radiator fan. Finally, use the HDS Diagnostics tool to check for any confirmed or pending DTCs. If DTC P2654 appears again, you will proceed with the next steps in the diagnostics process. If not, The issue may be intermittent, warranting further inspection of connections. The second troubleshooting step focuses on checking the internal resistance of rocker arm oil control solenoid B. First, ensure the vehicle is turned off by placing it in lock mode. Once the vehicle is off, disconnect the 2-pin connector from the solenoid. This disconnection is crucial for safety and accurate measurement. Use a multimeter to measure the resistance between the 2 test points on the solenoid side. The correct test condition for this check is with the vehicle off, ensuring you measure the resistance without interference. Ideally, the resistance should fall within the range of 10 to 20 ohms at room temperature. If the measured resistance is within this range, you will advance to the next step. Conversely, if it falls outside this range, it indicates that the solenoid is faulty and should be replaced to resolve the DTC. In the third step of troubleshooting DTC P2654, you'll conduct an open wire check for the CSS PG line. First, make sure the vehicle remains in lock mode, ensuring all systems are inactive for accurate testing. Next, check for continuity between the defined test points between connector number 1 for rocker arm oil control solenoid B and the body ground. Continuity is vital, as it ensures that the signal wire between the solenoid and the vehicle's electrical system is intact. If you ascertain continuity, this indicates a healthy connection, and you can move on to the next step. If there is no continuity, there is likely an open circuit in the CSS PG wire, necessitating repairs to fix the wire between the solenoid and ground point G101. The final step in troubleshooting DTC P2654 centers on the wiring check for the CSS line. Start by jumping the SCS line using the HDS. This action temporarily bypasses the Security Control System, SCS, enabling the diagnostic process to continue. After jumping the line, you need to wait for more than 1 minute to allow any electrical feedback to stabilize. Once that is done, disconnect the PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, connector C, ensuring it is safely unattached. Now you need to check for continuity between test points on the rocker arm oil control solenoid and the PCN itself. If continuity exists, the wiring is intact, and you should explore additional service information or consider replacing the PCM if necessary. However, if continuity is absent, it implies an open circuit exists in the CSS wire, necessitating repairs between the PCN and rocker arm oil control solenoid B to complete the diagnostic and repair process. After completing the repairs associated with DTC P2654, it is essential to verify that the solutions implemented were effective. Begin by utilizing the HDS to recheck for any DTC codes after repairs have been made. This step confirms that the original DTC P2654 is no longer present, indicating that the issue has been addressed properly. Following this, you should conduct a test drive of the vehicle, monitoring its performance under various conditions to ensure comprehensive functionality. Pay close attention to ensure that no symptoms originally linked with the DTC reappear during this testing phase. This final verification ensures not just the immediate resolution of the fault, but also the long-term reliability of the repairs conducted. To prevent recurrence of DTC P2654 issues, implementing thorough preventive maintenance is crucial. Begin by regularly inspecting the wiring associated with the rocker arm oil control solenoid B to ensure there are no fractures, corrosion, or damage due to engine heat and vibration. Regularly flushing the engine oil helps to keep the oil passages clear and enhances overall engine health, reducing strain on components. Moreover, routine checks on the functionality of the solenoid itself should be scheduled, ensuring it operates within acceptable resistances. Maintaining clean and optimal electrical connections is also essential, as corrosion can lead to inconsistencies in signaling. By taking these preventive measures, vehicle reliability and performance will be sustained over time, minimizing the risk of encountering similar DTCs. In summary, effectively addressing DTC P2654 requires a comprehensive understanding of the rocker arm oil control solenoid B and its role in engine operation. Following a structured diagnostic approach allows for the logical elimination of issues and ensures no critical components are overlooked. Adhering to regular maintenance schedules can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering such DTCs in the future. Lastly, it is imperative to always conduct thorough repair verifications to confirm that the fault has been rectified and that the vehicle operates optimally. By incorporating these best practices, Honda Pilot owners can enjoy a smoother driving experience while extending the longevity of their vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.